Hi, I'm Emmy.
And I'm Ian.
And we're going to be eating spoonfuls of salt. Okay, ready?
Just get half a spoonful.
Half a spoonful is good for now. Ready, Ian?
Yeah.
Set, go. Oh, so gross! Oh! It's so bad.
You alright?
Oh, it's so gross. Oh! Oh God, it's falling more apart.
You eat your belly.
Ow! This is so bad. Ian, where'd you go? Oh. I never do a spoonful of salt. It's so gross.
Oh gosh.
I think I almost puked.
Me too. When I was washing my mouth.
Bye.